In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on only one board in Trello and find anything. It's a straightforward process, but understanding the order of actions will streamline your experience on Trello, making task management even more efficient. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to Trello's website, so open your favorite web browser and type in trello.com. Once there, you'll see the homepage with an inviting login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged into Trello, you'll be prompted to do so now. Trello offers you the convenience of logging in using your email or through your Google account, whichever you prefer. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your boards. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Boards. Clicking this tab will take you to a hub where all your workspaces and boards are listed. Here you'll want to focus your attention on the Your Workspaces section. It's here where all your boards are organized into categories, allowing for a streamlined view. Once you've located the Your Workspaces section, click on the specific board that you're interested in. This board is where you'll be conducting your search. After selecting the board, you should be greeted with the familiar layout of lists and cards. Don't worry if your board seems a bit cluttered, we're about to make finding what you need much easier. Now find the filters option. It's typically located in the upper right area of your board, presented as a button. Click on this to open the search field. Within the search box you can type any keyword related to the card you're looking for. This could be a task name, a part of the description, or any tag that's associated with your board's content. As you type, Trello's intelligent filtering system will automatically display cards that match your search terms. This real-time search functionality can save you a lot of time when you're knee-deep in projects. Let's give it a go by typing a keyword into the search box. Immediately you'll see a list of all cards containing that keyword. This filtered view allows you to quickly locate the information you need without scanning through every card by hand. Suppose you want to refine your search even further. Simply input a different keyword and watch as the displayed cards change to match your new search criteria. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively search for and find anything specific on a Trello board with ease. Whether you're sorting through a handful of tasks or managing a major project, mastering board-specific searches in Trello ensures that you always stay organized and on track. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.